Expanding Emerson's cryogenic portfolio, engineered for extremes and reliable at negative 452 degrees Fahrenheit, meet the Fisher IC2. The Fisher IC2 cryogenic top entry control valve provides optimal performance and longevity. It's designed for use in cold box applications, such as air separation units, hydrogen liquefaction, and liquefied natural gas production. It enables ease of service with a single packing nut and bellows replaceable independent of the trim. The trim can be extracted through the extension, allowing personnel to conduct maintenance while the valve is enclosed in an insulated structure. The IC2 leverages trend-setting design features. Enhancements such as the Fisher Enhanced ENVIRO SEAL packing system and a Class 6 metal-to-metal shutoff help to minimize energy loss, reducing emissions and increasing profitability. The Fisher IC2 is engineered for reliability and built for a long service life. It's been designed for the rigors of temperatures as low as negative 452 degrees Fahrenheit, with extensive testing conducted at Emerson's state-of-the-art facilities. Discover how the Fisher IC2 cryogenic top entry control valve can address the needs of your cryogenic applications at emerson.com/FisherIC2.